Welcome back. We got Marucci over here,
You go.
and we got another mystery box unboxing for you guys today. Chemical Guys actually hooked us up with the holiday mystery box. Let's see what we got. Box was $50, and let's see if it was worth it. All right, let's open her up. Pretty excited. I've been waiting a while for this thing. All right, you guys.
Be a bunch of bricks.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna give you a bucket.
So first things first, we get a little bucket.
Whatever.
So it's
That's
a
a bucket
lid.
lid.
Nice. All right. So first thing, we got the little red rocket detailing brush. So this is a cone brush for tires inside the rim. It's a nice little brush. I
Yeah.
actually needed one.
That's nice.
All right. What we got here? Nice microfiber pack. High quality microfibers.
Lint free.
Lint free to get the nice wax off. Let's see what else we got. Cool. Wash mitt. Definitely always need a new wash mitt. Nice microfiber. All right, cool. So let's start it off with the Diablo wheel cleaner. So this stuff's actually pretty good. I've used it before.
Take it to the dust off.
Yeah, off the rims. You can actually use this on chrome too. It's pretty good.
Oh,
It's
good.
acid free.
Doesn't fade the chrome right?
Right. It's really good.
Oh,
All
good.
aluminum
Does
too.
it smell good?
Yeah, it actually has like a nice cherry smell.
Oh, nice.
So that's pretty
Better than the chemical smell.
Yeah, you don't want that. All right, next up, we got here Ghosted Odor Eliminator.
I don't need that for my old lady's truck. She's from smoking.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, using her truck and all that.
Nice. Ghost away bad smells. Light citrus tracer scent works fast.
Luckily, she's not smoking in there yet. But
Yeah.
but that would probably work for that.
Nice. I'd love to check it out.
Yeah,
Try it.
yeah.
Next, we got the Hybrid V07 High Gloss Car Wash Soap. Nice. Some new suds.
Orange smell, I guess.
Yup. Ultra
Citrus.
slick, glossy finish with the thick foam inside. So I can use this in the foam cannon.
Nice.
Which, by the way, is amazing, guys. Our buddy Hugo actually got me one, and it works amazing. If you don't have one, I recommend getting
Yeah,
one.
you can get one from the Amazon.
It's pretty cheap.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap. So they work just as good as like a real. I would have to imagine, the expense is not, it's not much involved in those things.
Right. And it works amazing.
Yeah, it works great. Yeah.
All right, next up, we got the Signature Series Glass Cleaner. This says ammonia-free, streak-free formula.
That's what I hate when you do glass. You got to sit there and keep rubbing
Exactly.
it. I hate
Get
that.
all those streaks out.
Yep.
So we'll definitely be checking this out. Make sure
Yeah.
that lives up to the word.
They gave you all this.
Yeah.
Oh wow! So you bought $50 worth of stuff, and they gave you this.
And then this is all mystery. Yep.
Wow.
And already I can say it's
Oh, it's for what
yeah.
you bought. It's well worth it.
Yeah. Because this bottle alone is almost $12. The wheel cleaner.
Wow. And the brush is heavy cheap.
Yep.
Yeah.
The brush probably another 10, 15. This stuff's pretty good. The VO7.
Wow, that's cool. They did that.
Now we have this is actually pretty cool. I've been wanting this. The Speed Wipe. Spray gloss and quick detailer. This is like once you're done waxing, you're all done. You want to get your fingerprints off. This is like your last final rub down. So this is pretty cool. Nice. Strawberry scented. I'm excited. There's a lot of cool shit.
Yeah, it's a lot of product for free.
Right.
Why did they send this to you? Did you win something? Or
No. So
the
it's
holiday?
actually they had a coupon for because I'm subscribed to them. They had a coupon.
Okay.
And for the Cyber Monday deals, we got I think
right.
normally it was like $60. I got 15% off, so it came out to $40. So for $40, I got a mystery box, and I think already it's well worth the investment. And then last but not least, we got a nice air freshener here, odor eliminator, Pina Colada.
Ooh.
You had to send
Make you feel like you're back at home.
Yeah, that's it. All right. And then
Bucket.
as always, just send a nice little bucket. High
That's nice.
quality. It's pretty cool with the Chemical Guys logo. And
Don't let your kid fall in because he'll drown.
don't do that.
That's cool though. This is a lid right for the bucket.
Lid for it. Yep.
Wow.
Pretty cool,
Nice.
guys.
Yeah,
That's
good
it.
stuff. Yeah.
I don't know, guys. What do you think?
Check them out.
Check them out. And
Well, chemical guys, they definitely have good stuff. I know I've been using it, and it's definitely good. It's better than the stuff you're gonna find at AutoZone.
absolutely. And you can find them almost everywhere, man. Walmart, Target. They're a really good company. I know there's a lot of other places. PNS. Again, I am not endorsed by Chemical Guys or sponsored, but it's pretty good
That's a good deal though for just a coupon on
Yeah,
Cyber Monday. Or
yeah, man. 45 bucks to get all this, and
was it after Thanksgiving or something?
yeah.
Okay.
So if you guys have never checked one out, I highly recommend it.
Yeah.
And thanks again, guys, for dropping in and checking us out. We got Marucci.
Hugo.
All right.
Thanks for sticking with us.
Absolutely. Thanks for following. Hey, if you want to comment and see something, our us unboxing, just drop a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that like and follow and that little bell. All right. Thanks again, guys, for stopping in.